Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. In the previous session, we have discussed binomial distribution in probability distributions. Now, in this session, I am going to teach frequency function of binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. Frequency function of a binomial distribution. The number of trials in any one attempt is small n. Any one attempt is n, and there are capital N such sets or such attempts. Then frequency function of a binomial distribution is capital N into P of x equal to x, that equal to capital N into NCx P to the power x Q to the power n minus x, where x belongs to 0, 1, 2 and so on n, where n is number of trials in any one attempt. Then the number of sets in which we get exactly x successes, is n into P of x equal to x, it is denoted by, that equal to n into NCx P to the power x Q to the power n minus x, where x belongs to 0, 1, 2 and so on n. See the given problem. 5 coins are tossed 320 times. Find the frequencies of the distribution of number of heads and tabulate the result. The variable x denotes number of heads tossed 5 coins 320 times. So here P is equal to probability of getting head equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to probability of getting tail, that equal to 1 by 2. So n is equal to 5. P is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 by 2. And capital N is equal to 320. Now we have to find capital N into P of x equal to 0. That is 320 into P of x equal to 0. 5c0, 1 by 2 power 0, 1 by 2 to the power 5 minus 0. So that is equal to 320 into 5c0, 1, 1 by 2 power 0, 1, 1 by 2 to the power 5 minus 0, that is 1 by 2 power 5, 1 by 32. By cancellation, we get this value is equal to 10. And next one is capital N into P of x is equal to 1. 320 into 5c1 into 1 by 2 to the power 1 into 1 by 2 to the power 5 minus 1. So 320, 5c1 is 5, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 power 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 power 4 is 1 by 2 power 5. So 320 into 5 by 32. So we get this value is equal to 50. And next one is capital N into P of x is equal to 2. 320 into 5c2 into 1 by 2 square into 1 by 2 whole cube. So 320, 5c2 10, 1 by 2 square into 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 power 5, 1 by 32. So we get this value is 100. And next one is capital N into P of x is equal to 3. That is 320 into 5c3 into 1 by 2 whole cube into 1 by 2 whole square. So 320, 5c3 is 10 into 1 by 2 cube into 2 square, that is 2 power 5, 32. So 1 by 32, then this value is 100. Capital N into P of x equal to 4. So that is 320 into 5c4 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 2. Then 320, 5c4 is same as 5c1, that is 5 into 1 by 32. Then this is 50. And next one is capital N into P of x equal to 5. So that is 320 into 5c5 into 1 by 2 power 5 into 1 by 2 to the power 5 minus 5, 0. So 320, 5c5 1 into 1 by 32 into 1. Then this value is 10. Therefore, we have to tabulate this result also. Then number of heads and their frequencies. Number of heads 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Their frequencies are, it is n of h, that is number of heads 0. So n into P of x equal to 0, that value is 10. Number of heads 1, that is n into P of x equal to 1, 50. N into P of x equal to 2, 100. N into P of x equal to 3, 100. N into P of x equal to 4, 50. And N into P of x equal to 5, 10. So this is the table of the result. Probability Poisson distributions. See the definition of this. A discrete random variable x is said to follows Poisson distribution if P of x equal to k, that equal to e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power k by k factorial, where k equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, and lambda is a parameter. So we have to form this in table x equal to x, P of x equal to x, 0, 1, 2 and so on, k and so on. So P of x equal to 0, e to the power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. P of x equal to 1, e to the power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. P of x equal to 2, e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. And so on. P of x equal to k, e power minus lambda, lambda power k by k factorial and so on. Poisson distribution, mean is equal to, variance is equal to lambda. And see the note, Poisson distribution follows under the experimental conditions. First one is, each trial results two mutually exclusive outcomes termed as success and failure. The number n trials are sufficiently large. The trials are independent of each other. The probability of success P is very small. See the given problem. In a city, 10 accidents takes place in a span of 50 days. Assuming that the number of accidents follows the Poisson distribution, find the probability that there will be 3 or more accidents in a day. See the solution of this. Lambda is equal to average of accidents takes place per day. Average of accidents takes place per day. So, in the given problem given that 10 accidents takes place in a span of 50 days. So, per day average of accidents, that is 10 by 50. So this value is equal to 0.2. So by using Poisson distribution, we have to find probability that there will be 3 or more accidents. 3 or more accidents in a day. So that is equal to P of x greater than or equal to 3. So sigma k equal to 3 to infinity P of x equal to k. So that is sigma k equal to 3 to infinity P of x equal to k, that is e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power k by k factorial. See the given problem. The number of persons joining a cinema ticket counter in a minute has Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. Find probability that first one is no one joins queue in a particular minute, and second one is 2 or more persons join the queue in a particular minute. See the solution of this. Lambda is equal to number of persons join a cinema ticket counter in a particular minute. Cinema ticket counter in a particular minute. So given this value is equal to 6. First one we have to find probability that no one joins queue in a particular minute. So this is equal to P of x is equal to 0. So by Poisson distribution, P of x equal to 0 is e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Here lambda is equal to 6. So that is e to the power minus 6, 6 to the power 0 by 0 factorial. Then e power minus 6 into 1 by 1. Then this value is e to the power minus 6. And the second one we have to find probability that 2 or more persons join the queue in a particular minute. Join the queue in a minute. So this is denoted by P of x greater than or equal to 2. It is nothing but 1 minus P of x equal to 0 minus P of x equal to 1. Then by Poisson distribution, P of x equal to 0 is e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial, and P of x equal to 1, e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. Substitute lambda is equal to 6. 1 minus e power 6, 6 power 0 by 0 factorial minus e power minus 6, 6 to the power 1 by 1 factorial. Then it is 1 minus e to the power minus 6 into 1 by 1, e power minus 6 minus 6 into e to the power minus 6. Then this is equal to 1 minus 7 e to the power minus 6. See the given problem. A Poisson variable satisfies P of x equal to 1 is equal to P of x equal to 2. Then find P of x is equal to 5. So we have P of x equal to k is equal to e to the power minus lambda, lambda power k by k factorial. Lambda is greater than 0. So given that P of x equal to 1 is equal to P of x is equal to 2. So this implies P of x equal to 1 e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. That is equal to p of x equal to 2 e to the power minus lambda square by 2 factorial. Then by cancellation e to the power minus lambda, we get lambda square is equal to 2 lambda. This implies lambda square minus 2 lambda equal to 0. By taking common lambda into lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda equal to 0, lambda equal to 2. But lambda is greater than 0. So since lambda greater than 0, therefore the value of lambda is equal to 2. So we have to find p of x is equal to 5. That is e to the power minus lambda power 5 by 5 factorial. Substitute lambda is equal to 2 e power minus 2 to the power 5 by 120. So 32 by 120 e square. See the given problem. In a book of 450 pages, there are 400 typographical errors. Assuming that the number of errors per page follows Poisson law, find the probability that a random sample of 5 pages will contain no typographical errors. See the solution of this. Lambda is equal to number of errors per page in a book. That is equal to 400 by 450. There are 450 pages, contains 400 typographical errors. So per page number of errors 400 by 450. So this is equal to 8 by 9. Now probability that a page contains exactly or errors. Exactly or errors. So that is p of x is equal to r e to the power minus lambda to the power r by r factorial. Here page contain no error, that is p of x equal to 0. That is e to the power minus lambda is 8 by 9 here, into 8 by 9 to the power 0 by 0 factorial. So this is equal to e to the power minus 8 by 9. Now required probability that a random sample of 5 pages, will contain no typographical errors. That is equal to p of x equal to 0 whole to the power 5. So that is p of x equal to 0 is e to the power minus 8 by 9 whole to the power 5.